Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. And we are doing another unboxing today. I have filmed quite a few, so hence the makeup being the same and, you know, being smeared. I just got off work, you know. And this is the last box that I am filming of the day. And this is kind of the make or break it box. I wanted to try it out for 3 months to see if it was a box that I was going to keep. I don't think I'm going to. I'm pretty sure I'm going to cancel it after this because it's just not products that I'm going to use. It is only $13.99, but after shipping, it's like $16 and change. And it is the Lashy box. I like to do things for 3 months if I'm trying it out. And like I said, this will be the 3rd month tryout, I think, or 4th. I don't know. Maybe I gave it an extra month. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. So when you open it, and I already had a spoiler on an item in here. When you open it up, there is that. And they do have different, like different versions that you can get that's cheaper or more expensive, I think. But this is, I think, the middle box. I'm not sure. So actually, this is pretty nice. This is an eyelash tool, and it is heavy. It's metal. It's got a lot of weight to it. Lashy box and Jackie Love. Very nice. I do like that. And then we get a variety of lashes. So this one is 3D silk lashes in cake. I don't know. The bands on these just kind of like, I don't know. You can see how thick the band is. I have not tried any of these out yet. This one is sprinkles. I definitely won't be using this one. That is way too dramatic. So there's that. And then we have, looks like the Jackie Love crazy collaboration. So here are those super dramatic lashes. Does it have a name on here anywhere? Or okay, so this one is Middle 2.0. And that's them. They're super big. And then we have Capricorn. These ones aren't as bad, but again, very dramatic. I like the box though. And then we have one more thing in here. Oh, okay, so they sent us a little tiny thing of lash glue, which I think they do every time, but I don't use this. And then they sent us a palette, which I did see that they were sending this. I'm actually really happy that they sent this because we did get this in a box. It was actually the box that we got this in. A lot of people's shadows, the one shadow is broken. I'm kind of curious to see if it is in this one. I did just repot it. I absolutely love this palette. It is gorgeous. All right, so it is Crescent Moon. And I don't know, does it say who it's by? CAS Cosmetics. So that's who it's by. And I'm curious, is it broken? Wow, it's not broken. What? I definitely had to repot my other one. That's not broken. That's so cool. So here are the colors. This shadow is the one that was broken in everybody's stuff. And that shadow is amazing, you guys. I have wore that shadow probably about 5 times already now. And it's amazing. And I'm not mad that I had to depot it at all. Because it's so nice. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm in love with it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Look at the pigment in these. This palette is amazing, so I am not mad at all. Look at that. Hello, duochrome. These, keep in mind, one swipe swatches. I hope this one swatches good, because this is the one that just blows my mind. Like, you gotta be kidding me. Look at those, you guys. What is so pretty? I don't know if you can see the shifts on them or not, but they are gorgeous. And I am so happy to have that palette. So it's like, do I keep the box? Do I not? I don't know what to do. Like, to me, that palette is so worth the money. Like, for what, 16? I think it's $16 total. But I don't like the lashes, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me know down in the comments what you think I should do. Should I cancel it? Should I keep giving it another shot? I don't know. The lashes never seem to be like my style at all. Like, they seem kind of cheap. I don't know. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you guys would do. But so we have four different lashes, which are all very dramatic. Very, very dramatic. And the tool is actually really nice. I don't use tools, but this is a really nice tool. And it may go in a giveaway. And then the palette, which is so worth it. So pretty. I absolutely love them. Like, gorgeous colors. And I can't believe it's not broken. I wonder why everybody else's came broken in the box. I don't know. But anyway, let me know what you think I should do. Should I keep it? Do you guys want to continue to see it on the channel? Or could you just say, nah, it's okay, we don't really need to see that one anymore? Let me know. Other than that, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. It truly helps, especially being a smaller YouTuber. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Have a fantastic day. Bye.